can TikTok with your...
TikTok. I cannot TikTok it.
Feed the shark. Drop.
Feed the shark. Feed the shark.
Drop the mouth.
It's a harmless shark.
It's a cat. Eat it! Whoa!
I had a pet one of this before.
Yeah.
Oh, that's stingray. Oh. And then it's slimy.
Pet mo siya, kuya.
Where's the mouth? Some more. Oh no, I want
You have to give the
to
stingray. Stingray. The stingray.
What if we put food here?
No, that's where it breathes air. I might try that one. Getting very big.
But can it eat the hand?
No, it has no teeth. Hindi ba yan?
Wala naman po. Yung sa shark lang po, idadrop lang po natin sa malapit sa bunganga nila. Yung stingray naman po, pwede po natin isubo pa.
Yeah, you put everything.
Oh no, the stingray is bleeding! No,
It has no teeth.
how about the shark?
The shark has little teeth. It's like a cat. This is a cat shark.
Mama, the other side.
The